Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to show this 801 Bolsterlock modification that I did a while ago. A lot of people seem to like it a lot, and I'm finally just getting around to making some YouTube videos on pretty much everything I've done that I have still. And yeah, I just wanted to show this off. Basically, this was more of a proof of concept kind of deal. A lot of people said that it couldn't be done. A lot of people had the idea, but nobody ever really executed it. And you know, once I finally got the equipment to be able to do so, and a little bit of knowledge on machining, I decided I would go ahead and try it. And this is a result. Decided to go with blackwood carbon fiber scales and an eggshell satin finish on all the titanium. Kind of wish I wouldn't have used the blackwood, even though it is gorgeous stuff, mainly because this material gets so thin here. The scale itself is only 1/16 inch in thickness, so you know, 62.5 thousandths. And the problem with that is this side turned out great, 100% beautiful. I love it, nice and flush, no gaps anywhere. Absolutely love it. This side though, when I was about 95% done on the grinder, as you can see right here, my grinder grabbed it, the part, threw it down into my my quench bucket and cracked the scale. And that's why I've still got, you know, gaps here and there. I pretty much set the knife away and really haven't messed with it since then. And I'm trying to locate a little bit more of this material so I can go ahead and try to redo it. And I think I might be able to get some. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and probably redo it with like zirconium scales or something along those lines. But yeah, I mean, I did it with the fixture plate, which held this side like this and this side like this at the exact same time. That way everything is perfectly in line with each other, so the cuts for the scales meet up here and meet up here perfectly. And not only that, I'm able to bolt them down to that fixture plate and mill them all the way across at once so that I know both sides are going to be exactly even. And I've already duplicated this 3 times now, and I know that my fixture plate is dead nuts, so it works perfect. Actually, I absolutely love it. But yeah, acid stonewash on the blade with satin flats. That's been done for a while, pretty much since I got the knife. But yeah, it turned out really good. And a couple people were worried, you know, if milling this away was going to remove any strength from the actual knife itself, and I just don't see that being the case because there's still 93 thousandths thick of material here, which if this was a liner lock would be beastly, so to say, you know. As we all know, the weakest point on any frame lock is going to be, or any frame lock, liner lock, anything like that, it's going to be the relief cut where you get the spring from, so I'm not too worried about it. Went with a orange peeled or eggshell finish, so to say, zirconium backspacer, and yeah, it turned out quite nice. I really like it. I just wish that one side wouldn't have broke on me like that. I'm probably going to have this on me at Blade Show this year, so if anybody wants to come and check it out, just, you know, let me know. And yeah, another thing too, if you know the 801s, they have the pocket clip screw right here and right over here, and it's really wide. So to make a sculpted clip for it, the clip has got to be a certain width, and I just don't, I like a little more streamlined clips. So I drilled and tapped another hole right here, and once I finally get around to doing it, it's going to have a much skinnier profile clip that will look more aesthetically pleasing in my eye, or to my eye, I should say. But yeah, I think it turned out awesome, and everybody else seems to like it, which I'm ecstatic about. I mean, it, you know, it makes me much happier about all the time that I put into it. Yeah, and didn't affect the lockup at all. Lockup is exactly the same place that it was before. And the only problem that I have with this knife is, one, the blade's a little off center, but it literally has been like that since the day I got it. And the same thing, this has got a little bit of play right